Want to get notified about new titles by your favorite authors? Sign up for Author Alerts. With Author Alerts, you can sign up to get email or text notices when titles by your favorite author or director are added to the Snow Isle Library's collection. There is no limit to the number of authors you can track. Here is how to use the Snow Isle Library's Author Alert service. Go to snowisle.org. Click on Browse, New and On Order. Scroll down and click on Author Alerts. Click on the Start Here button under the New to Author Alerts text. Decide whether you would like to receive your notifications via email or text message. Select the appropriate option and enter your email address if you selected email, or your cell phone number and carrier if you selected text message. You also have the option to enter a screen name and decide whether you would like other readers to view what authors you are tracking. You do not need to provide a password to use Author Alerts. Next, click on the Continue button. In the Add to My Alerts section, enter the first and last name of the author you want to track and click the Add button. You can also quick add authors that other users have recently tracked. Continue adding as many authors as you want. That's it! You have now successfully signed up for Author Alerts and added authors to track. You will now receive a notification whenever a new title by one of those authors is added to the Snow Isle Library's collection. From your Author Alerts account, you can also add notes or remove any previous authors you had added to your tracking list. If you have any questions, just visit snowisle.org/contact us.